Hey guys, Thomas here, and today we're at the Australian International Airshow 2019, and this is something unique for me. I've been here every couple of years since I was 4 years old, but today we're actually going to be flying these guys, racing them in a tent alongside F-18s and other cool aircraft. So it's sort of a dream come true. I've never flown at the International Airshow before, so always dreamed of it, but never thought I'd actually get here. Finals time. We'll see if I've got enough energy for this. It's going to be tight. I'm not sure if it's 3 runs or 1 run, but if it's 1 run, it's going to be crazy. So we'll see how we go.
Alright guys, here we go. On your quads. Launch on the tone in less than 5 seconds. Off they go, BMS Thomas, red roo below 0, all ripping around. Red roo takes a bit of a tumble, hits a flag or a gate. He's upside down. That's it for red roo, I'm afraid. BMS Thomas first, X-Tech second, 1.3 seconds behind, and 1.9 seconds behind. BMS Thomas is below 0, all on lap 2. They're ripping around. Thomas is already on lap 3 though. He's going to be over in a few seconds. X-Tech on lap 3. Below 0. Now on lap 3 as well. BMS Thomas on lap 4, ripping around. X-Tech, 11-second lap there in lap 4. BMS Thomas, lap 4, below 0, lap 4. BMS Thomas now on final lap. X-Tech on final lap. He's just 5 seconds behind BMS Thomas at this point, but BMS Thomas is unstoppable. Hat-trick win. Win, win, win. That's BMS Thomas for you right there. That's the BMS Thomas story. X-Tech now finished 2nd place. And below 0, just crashing out there on the final lap.
That was tight, that was scary, but made it through. That was some fun. 2 more days. Let's do it.
Give it up for BMS Thomas, our Australian champion of this tournament. His hands are shaking, he held it at level, he could not hold anything steady. Don't get him to perform open heart surgery on you, he'll slip. Well, it's 4:39. That's the whole day done. That's all the racing we have for you today. The field is probably still open afterwards for any testing though, but it's completely unwatched by us. We're going to end the live stream now and just do a bit of a private ceremony here, just award some trophies.
We have with us Air Vice Marshal Lee Gordon, head of the Joint Strike Fighter Program, to help us present those awards. Thank you to Air Force for partnering with this amazing event. Also here today is Mr. Phil Lawrence from Textron, who are the sponsors of the Trans-Tasman Aerosol Trophy, the Bledders of military international drone racing. From the top, Open Champion, because everybody loves to know who the Open Champ is. Thomas Bittman from Melbourne.
We've already had qualifying. I was in Group 1, so I just finished at about 12, so had a nice lunch, and then now we're gonna actually go see some of the other displays aside from the drone racing and yeah, see what else is at the air show. Hey guys, Thomas here, and today I'm gonna go to sleep. No, okay, so it's like 38, 40 degrees. I'm tired. I've had a really good run though today, way better than I anticipated I'd be performing. I just sort of decided just to cap it off, don't go for more speed, just like I want to conserve my energy. I need to survive today, I need to survive tomorrow. So far we're looking pretty good. I'm just going to try and sort of stay at a similar pace, try and smoothen up more, increase my margin for error a bit, so that way, you know, don't have to worry about being so accurate, well, you know, being more accurate, so if I make a mistake it's not too bad. Other than that, it's really a survival game now, just to see, can I stay mentally with it? I made a few slip-ups already in my racing that tells me I'm losing it mentally. Nothing yet that's been able to take me out, but it's something that could very easily go wrong if it's at the wrong time. So we're just going to sort of play it smooth, take it easy, and hopefully we've got enough juice in the brain to actually win or do good anyway.
It all comes down to this. The nerves are tense, but stay focused, because this will be over in 1 minute and a half. Commencing sequence. Lads, arm your quads. Launch on the turn in less than 5. Wow, such a crazy whip there. It's absolutely intense here at the drone racing arena at the Australian International Airshow 2019. BMSWEB X-Tech below 0. That is the order right now. Let's check it really loosey goosey there. Let's see what happened there. Oh no, crashing it again. X-Tech in the tent. BMSWEB on lap 3. Red Wing also down. BMS Thomas 1-0. Lap 4, BMS Thomas now on final lap. Final lap, but BMS Thomas has already finished first place again. He's gone for the full hat trick.
That was crazy. Good finish there, I'm happy. So yeah, I don't really know what to say, it's really hot. How am I going to do this tomorrow? I don't know, but I'll see you around.
Third place with $200. Red Room. Well done, mate. Coming back tomorrow to crack yourself, eh? Yeah. Alright. Second place with $300 cash today, below 0. And in first place, taking it again, BMS Thomas, $500. Nice work, man. Alright, well done all. Let's do it all again tomorrow. 0800. Welcome to the Avalon International Airshow. We're here today at the drone arena. You can see the giant circus tent behind me. It's a hell of a facility. It's a 2-pole, 50 metre by 35 metre, fully enclosed flying area. We have a full CASA certification for this. Another world first, 2 nights ago, we did a night flying demonstration out in front of tens of thousands of spectators on full LED lighting. It was really something to behold. We've got a range of teams here for this event. Army, Air Force, Navy, cadets, New Zealand's flown in, and a bunch of supporting assets and people from our civilian friends, Eastside FPV. Amongst that group is Thomas. This is the second time Thomas has competed with us. He first joined with us at the MIDRT, the Military International Drone Racing Tournament last October in Sydney, where he blitzed the field and did a bunch of coaching for our military drone racers. It's great to have him on board again today and throughout this week doing some great racing. Nice to see him taking away some wins again as well. The support from our sponsors has been fabulous. The support from the people coming to see us has been amazing. There's been times where the spectators have been 5 and 6 people deep, having a look in at the drone arena and watching our fabulous drone racers whip around. We've got the pit lanes set up so that they can talk straight to the racers. They can see the repairs happening in real time. They can learn about drones. They can learn about how it contributes to STEM in Australia and STEM in defence. We've got another day of hard racing again today. Hope you enjoy the action.
Last day, I'm tired. Last 3 packs. I think what we're going to do is just go as hard as we can without crashing. If it's enough, that's good. If it's not, then I'll be ready for air. So we'll see. Let's see how we go.
This is final 1 of 3. Let's go. Your quad. Launch on the turn, less than 5. Venus Thomas, Red Rouge, below 0, lap 2. Venus Thomas, Red Rouge, below 0, lap 3, you rip it, lap 3. Venus Thomas, lap 4, Red Rouge, lap 4, below 0, lap 4, you rip it, lap 4. Final lap, BMS Thomas, final lap, Red Rouge, final lap, below 0. Thomas done, Red Rouge done, below 0 done. Yui Whippet is done.
How was that first race?
It was alright. I got a break, which is good, but we did have a lot of video issues. Race Band 3 is getting hit a lot by digital noise, I guess, from Wi-Fi channels and stuff. We found in Shenzhen, it was R3 to R5 would get affected a lot, so that's happening here too. So it kind of sucks on that channel, but still got just enough video to see where I'm going and still make it work. So let's hope we can keep it up. If everyone else steps up the game, though, I might be in a bit of trouble. So let's see.
Could decide first place. Just a minute. Your quad. Launch on turn in less than 5. So incredibly fast, so incredibly wild. These quads are ripping around the track at a lightning speed, over 100 kilometers an hour. Thomas third, 3 seconds, below 0 third. You have in 4th right now. Venus Thomas, lap 3, Red Rouge, lap 3, below 0, lap 3. Venus Thomas, lap 4, Red Rouge, lap 4. Below 0, crashing out. And the timing system is out again. It's all about placing here. BMS Thomas finished first place. Red Rouge, second place. Yui Whippet,
Dude, you've done it?
I've done it, I can't believe it. Played a bit with RF management, had some issues on race band 3. Just turned out I was getting hit by Wi-Fi, so just moved to a better position with less mobile phones around. That actually did help, so thankfully I got the break at the start. Everyone else was battling it out, so I got to actually cruise away. So it was sort of a lucky victory that things played out the way it did, but I'm really happy to have pulled away with it. So let's try to get the last one if we can. Yeah, then we would have taken them all. That would be really crazy. It'd be pretty rare, but I'll take it. Let's see how we go.
Launch on the tone in less than 5. BMS Thomas, lap 2, Red Roo, lap 2, below 0, lap 2, BMSWEB, lap 2. Oh no, Red Roo upside down. BMS Thomas, lap 3, below 0, lap 3, BMSWEB, lap 3. BMS Thomas, lap 4, 8.7 seconds, below 0, lap 4, 9.5 seconds, BMSWEB, lap 4, 10.4, Red Roo, out, BMS Thomas, final lap. Below 0, final lap. BMSWEB, final lap. You can do it, BMSWEB. You can push it. Full set time. BMS Thomas, finish. First place, below 0, finish. Second place, BMSWEB, finishing in third place. BMS Thomas wins the competition yet again.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up.
And the competition has come to an end. 6 days of consistent drone racing from Tuesday to Sunday. It was pretty intense there. We're just going to tally up the scores and we'll go and do a presentation and just award the prizes and trophies for the Sunday tournament.
It's time to present today's cash prizes. In third place, below 0, $200. Thank you. Thanks for coming along. Yeah, we'll see you again. In second place, Red Roo, $300. Well done, Red Roo. I keep coming back in this thing. Definitely will. Good for our guys. And in first place, another clean sweep, 10s, 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 BMS Thomas.